Alright guys, do you want to know how to make fluffy slime? It is fast and easy. I'm Will, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and click that all, because I post awesome lit vlogs just for y'all, and I post every Wednesday. Peace out. All you need to make this fluffy slime is 1 cup of hot water, 1 teaspoon of borax, some shave foam, and some glue. You also need a bowl for your slime and a mixing tool. Start by pouring 1 bottle of glue in the bowl. Make sure to get every last bit of it. Add an equal amount of shave foam inside the glue. Stir it until it's nice and smooth. You can add any kind of food coloring you want in your slime. I'm going to use the color food. Then you're going to stir it up. Next, you're going to take your hot water, then you're going to take your 1 teaspoon of borax and pour it in here until it dissolves. Slowly add your borax mixture into your glue until it's not sticky anymore.